Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to write company bios for LinkedIn. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Drafting a standard LinkedIn bio does not have to take ages. Start by jotting down your company's mission, key services, and a couple of points that make you unique. Think of your core values or signature products. Then hop into chat.openai.com and make a new chat. Paste those bullet points with a prompt like write a 100-word LinkedIn company bio that's professional yet approachable, highlighting our mission, services, and unique values. Hit send and watch as AI turns your notes into a smooth, engaging paragraph that fits LinkedIn's About section perfectly. If you want a different tone, simply ask it, make it more conversational, or add an inspirational flair. You can also ask for hashtags or a short tagline to pin at the top. Tweak until it feels just right, then copy and paste directly into your LinkedIn page. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.